Yummy! I ate the whole thing of another one.
So today we're making spring rolls using the batter method. Let's start with the filling. Start off with a drop of oil, add your crushed garlic, onions, give it a stir, and then add your meat of choice. We use shredded pork, some salt, some spices. I love the combination of these spices every time I use pork. Add chopped jalapeno pepper, bell peppers and cucumber, and then stir fry it. Now in another bowl, add a cornstarch and water. Give it a mix. It's a teaspoon of cornstarch to 1 tablespoon of water. And what this will do is that it will hold the water when you put a filling in your sheets. And that's it. The filling is done. Allow it to completely dry before you start filling. Now let's go on to the butter. So for the butter, we'll add 2 cups of flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and some salt. Mix the dry ingredients very well together. And here I typically use like 2.5 cups of water. Add them in batches so you don't create lumps in your butter, and just simply stir it until smooth. You can add all the water and your butter is done. It's kind of like a pancake batter, but this is gonna make your spring roll sheets. When your butter is done, it's time to make the sheets. So dab a little oil on a tissue and then rub it in your non-stick pan. So you drop the butter and then you twirl it around like this so you can have it as flat as possible. Now, if you want to check if your butter is ready to be lifted, make sure that there are no wet patches. So you see that patch? It is not ready yet. When you touch it, it's a bit sticky, so not so ready. But then when you touch it and your hands don't stick, yes, now it's ready. You can lift it with your hand or with a tool. It's not that hot. And you can easily layer your sheets. Now it's ready to be filled. When your filling is completely dry, scoop as much filling as you want. Just make sure you don't overload it. And then you start to roll. First, roll from your front to cover the filling like this, and then you tuck in the sides for it to fall in. You hold it with your hand, and then with the remaining butter I mix it with a little water, and I will use that to seal the ends. So you apply that to the ends, and that's gonna seal your roll so it doesn't unravel when you fry it. And that's it. You just carefully roll it, and voila, you have your spring rolls ready to be fried. The trick is to ensure that you cook one side to be completely cooked before you flip them over, and you're looking for a light golden brown color, then you know your spring rolls are done. And it's gonna be crispy and yummy. Enjoy. You can serve it with any dip of your choice, sriracha or barbecue sauce or ketchup, but people in my house prefer their spring rolls dry, so I didn't serve it with any side dip. Thanks for watching, and let me know when you try it. Thank you. Bye-bye.